There are few things more relaxing and fun than spending time outdoors on a beautiful deck with your family and friends. You're looking for a natural, strong, eco-friendly, and most of all, beautiful decking choice, not something plastic. dassoXTR is a great choice. We utilize natural bamboo, one of the world's most rapidly renewable resources, and through a unique process, harden, strengthen, and increase the durability of our XTR bamboo, making it suitable for exterior use. XTR is similar to tropical hardwoods, dense and durable, and like all wood, will naturally gray or silver over time. To maintain its rich natural color, periodic re-oiling is recommended. A new, unique, exceedingly strong natural alternative to tropical hardwoods.